Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to help you fix the Shudder Error Code 1002 with a detailed step-by-step guide. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. We're here to walk you through the process to resolve it quickly and easily. Step 1. Restart the Shudder app. The first and simplest step is to restart the Shudder app. Close the app completely on your device and then reopen it. This can often resolve minor glitches and refresh your connection. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and try running a speed test to see if your connection is stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection for better stability. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If restarting didn't help, try clearing the cache and data for the Shudder app. Go to your device's settings, find the app manager, select Shudder, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware that clearing data will log you out of the app, so ensure you have your login credentials handy. Step 4. Update the Shudder app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Shudder app. Go to your device's app store, search for Shudder, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix existing issues and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the above steps haven't resolved the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Shudder app. Go back to your app store, uninstall Shudder, and reinstall it. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 6. Disable VPN or proxy services. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, it can sometimes interfere with streaming services like Shudder. Try disabling your VPN or proxy temporarily to see if the error is resolved. Step 7. Contact Shudder support. If you've tried all the steps and are still encountering the error, it might be time to reach out to Shudder's customer support. They can provide you with more specific troubleshooting tips tailored to your issue. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with these steps, you should be able to fix the Shudder Error Code 1002. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and content. Thank you for watching.